Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the awesome ThinkCar 2 OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. It's for all kind of cars, automotive out there. Yeah, from 1998 for example. It's a full system scanner with OBD2 functions, check. Engine code reader with 15 reset surfaces for iOS and Android, compatible with the app in ThinkDiag and ThinkDiag Plus. It's a new version of Thinkdriver. Yeah. And here you can see you have to dock this dongle onto your OBD2 port. And then you can start with the download of the ThinkCar Pro app. It's really easy. We have to sign in and download it. Then we have to activate this ThinkCar 2 device. It's really easy because on the package you will see the serial number and the activation code. This you have to enter into it and then it will be enabled. Then we make a Bluetooth connection via the ThinkCar 2 dongle and your app on your smartphone, for example, or an iPad or your laptop as well, which can use iOS or Android apps with it. That's really easy. And then we can start to use a ThinkCar 2 device easily. It's a full system diagnostic tool. This Bluetooth OBD2 code reader featured with full system diagnosis. Read and clear the codes, the real-time data too. We can perform extensive diagnostic for engine, transmission, airbags, BMS, ABS, TPS, etc. Bonus is 3 vehicle identification numbers allows us to get free access to 3 car software in a full year. The full system can be diagnosed when connected to the car, which is very convenient and suitable for personal use. Of course, after this year, you will continue use this ThinkCar 2 OBD2 Bluetooth scanner too, no problem. But you have to enter into the deep scan features and programming features, then you will need a license for it after 1 year, okay? But you can read and use the ThinkCar 2 OBD2 scanner all day long as you like with the OBD2 functions, okay? That means read and delete failure codes. And we have 15 hot maintenance functions. The ThinkCar 2 OBD2 code reader free to offers 2 reset surfaces, ABS bleeding and steering angle reset, for example, in the first year, plus 13 optional things. This will cost you around about $10 for example, for more functions including AFS Reset, Headlight Matching, Injector Matching, Brake Pad Reset, Oil Reset, Gearbox Matching, DPF Regeneration, Tire Pressure Reset, Sunroof Reset, Suspension Matching, and Exhaust Gas Recirculation, and etc. That means it's really not expensive because $10 each year is nothing. If you go to your local shop, and then you will get from this garage an OBD2 scan that will cost you $30 up to $50. Oh yeah. And here you will get $10 roundabout for 1 year. No problem for it, I think so. We have a full EOBD and an OBD2 test mode. The ThinkCar 2 realized the full system, the OBD2 full function, intelligent diagnosis, including reading versions informations, vehicle informations, reading fault codes, clearing the fault codes as well, reading data streams, etc. We can use this Bluetooth OBD2 adapter to check our car's O2 emissions status to confirm that it meets state and federal standards. The app supports languages in Chinese, English, Italian, German, Japanese, Russian, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. That's enough, isn't it? The free app, ThinkDiag or ThinkDiag Plus, is amazingly easy to download and install over the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi onto our Android system. or Apple devices. So our car diagnosis becomes easier. I'm going to use this all day long with my iPad Pro, for example. Because there's a bigger screen, I can see it better, and I have the hand-free for my smartphone too. That's awesome. And it works really nice. We will need Bluetooth and Wi-Fi onto our Android or Apple device. One click to generate the vehicle health report after diagnosis. It supports diagnostic reports online or printed by email sharing. This OBD2 scanner Bluetooth offers a 60 mile per hour accelerated timer. Then we can practically able in the app Society to earn points of show of our grade. And the supported models are compatible with all models that support the OBD2 protocol after 1996 and can detect most models in the United States, Europe, and the Asia Pacific region. It supports different protocols: ISO 14230, ISO 15765. This is the CAN bus. ISO 9141. This is iOS. Then ISO 14229. It's UDS. And SAEJ 1815. This is VPW and PWM. This is the ThinkDiag 2 diagnostic tool. Has a really nice and easy thing to operate with it. We will get 15 optional reset functions, 2 fixed free functions for 1 year. EGR, for example, AFS, bleed, BMS. This is your battery status thing, or reload your battery. SUM, box, brake for service settings and brake if you are replacing your brake paddle, for example. DPF, ETS, oil reset, IMMO, tire pressure monitoring system, injections, SAS, SUS. Everything is possible. For every car owner, completing routine service and maintenance is vital to keep car running safely. Know as our car situation before driving it to car dealer, so that we can go straight to fix it. We may diagnose and replace the part by our own hands, which could save our time and money. It will also assist in preventing any engine issues that could happen later on, because it will notify the vehicle owners that there surely is trouble. And there is more. 15 optional maintenance functions. They are really awesome. One click out of VIN, vehicle identification number, and detect. Generate diagnostic report. And it covered 93 vehicle brands. That's a lot, I think. Here is a full system diagnostic scan tool in so nice and handy device. This OBD2 Bluetooth scanner, ThinkCar 2, has a full vehicle system diagnostic function. We will get access to all systems, including engine system, transmission system, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS system, SRS system, EPB, electronic parking brake system, airbag system, power system, immobilized system, chassis system, body module system, etc., etc. It's really, for example, steering angle reset fixed. Many manufacturers requires the SAS to be reset after the wheel alignment, for example. Throttle matching, and this is optional. More accurately control and adjust the throttle action and control the air intake. Battery matching is optional. When replacing the main battery, it's necessary to use battery matching to clear the original low battery information. IMMO reset. When replacing the ignition switch key, the ignition switch, for example, the engine control unit, ECU, the body control unit, and remote control battery, it is necessary to perform an anti-thief matching. That's possible with that device, optional. And more function to choose from: the AFS Reset, Headlight Matching, Injector Matching, Brake Pad Reset, Oil Reset, Gearbox Matching, DPF Regенerations, Tire Pressure Reset, Sunroof Reset, Suspension Matching, and Exhaust Gas Recirculation. Everything is possible. This little awesome part and the powerful app on your device. And easy live data streaming graphics. The Bluetooth scanner can show the sensor data in real time after getting each diagnostic, which is especially useful when we are checking the results of modifying our engine, replacing an or vehicle's parts. We can collect information on their horsepower, fluid temperature, and fuel status using the display as well. Another great feature is the scanner allows us to see the load value, time advance, airflow rate, pressure intake, and oxygen sensor voltage, among other things. And of course, it is a diagnostics report. We can print it, for example, send it by email, and that's the acceleration time is really awesome. 60 miles per hour acceleration timer. It can quickly and accurately measure the time required to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles. We can also update the grades on social media, for example, to share and discuss results with friends. Everything is here. It supports 10 OBD2 test modes. Mode number 1 requests live data. Mode number 2 requests freeze frames. Mode number 3 requests stored trouble codes. Mode number 4 clear and reset the stored emission related data. Mode number 5 requests the oxygen sensor test result. Mode number 6 requests onboard system test results. Mode number 7 requests the pending trouble codes. Mode number 8 the request control of onboard systems. Mode number 9 request vehicle information. And mode number 01 request permanent trouble codes. It's really easy. We have to download the app, then we have to register, login, activate the device, then we plug in the device and start diagnostics. Then we will get an auto VIN reading and then turn on our system on the car. It's really easy and you will get some information or nearly all information. It supports more than 93 brands out there and it's continuously updating. Yeah, it's really, really easy and it comes in the deeper thing with so many more functions to relearn the systems, relearn the battery, relearn the brake thing if you're replacing a brake pad, for example. This is a really nice device. It's small and powerful. This is the ThinkCar 2 OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. It's a full system scanner. In OBD functions, it checks the engine and makes so many more things. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.